In this video, I'm going to show you how to see LinkedIn password. After logging into your LinkedIn account, you've forgotten the LinkedIn password. In this episode, I'm going to provide you with a quick steps on how to retrieve your LinkedIn password. Make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. I'm going to provide you with two different methods. So if the first one didn't work for you, try the second one. On your Android device, navigate and locate settings. Then on this interface, scroll down till you locate Google and tap on it. Then you have to proceed to click on manage your Google account. So this will land you on an interface like this. On the top menus, swipe left till you locate security and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down till you locate password manager. So this will land you on an interface like this. So you can continue to scroll down until you locate LinkedIn and continue to tap on it. So to access your password, you have to enter your PIN or your screen lock. Whichever you provided, you can proceed to enter it here. There you are. I can now see my LinkedIn email address and password. So if I want to view the exact figures or digits that I use for my password, I can proceed to click on this eye icon, after which I can proceed to copy it. It's pretty simple and easy. If this first method didn't work for you, let's try the second method. With the second method, navigate to your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome browser. On the top right corner, proceed to tap on these three dots. Then you have to scroll down and tap on settings. On this interface, continue to tap on password manager. So this will land you on an interface like this. So you can scroll down. You have a bunch of different passwords that you've used until you locate LinkedIn. So I'll proceed to tap on LinkedIn. So this will bring me to an interface like this where I can see my LinkedIn email address and password. So if I want to view it, I can proceed to tap on this eye icon. Otherwise, I can proceed to copy it here. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.